Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Apple ID region matches the card region, otherwise the code won't redeem. Next, open App Store or Settings Redeem Gift Card, then enter or scan the code carefully. Watch for similar characters like O versus 0. Once done, verify the dollar balance added to your Apple ID at the top of the App Store. Keep that number in mind because that credit is what you'll spend inside Clash Royale. Now you go into Clash Royale and head straight to Shop, then Gems. Decide which gem pack gives the best value for your goal. When you pick a pack, the purchase sheet will show Apple Pay or your Apple ID balance. Make sure it selects the Apple ID balance that holds the gift card funds. Authorize the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. After confirmation, wait a few seconds. The gems should appear in your account, then check inventory to confirm. Finish by spending your new gems on chests, special offers, or card upgrades. Prioritize what speeds progress. Make sure to track the remaining Apple ID dollar balance so you don't accidentally overspend. If the purchase fails, check Settings Media and Purchases Purchase History to see if the charge went through. If funds were removed but gems didn't arrive, contact Apple support for billing issues and reach out to Supercell with your purchase receipt. Keep screenshots and transaction ID ready for a faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.